Hello everyone, welcome back to My Diamond Addiction. This is Valerie and Taylor, and this is package 4 of my big new frog order. Like I said, in package 4 there's only one painting. So Taylor wants to try to open it. This was ordered on November 15th. It shipped November 30th. And it was delivered December 20th. So a little over a month from order date to receive date on this one. Go ahead, try to open it.
What?
Oh, you're going to open it in little tiny pieces, huh?
It isn't that short. Ooh, yay.
Oh, look at you go.
Yeah.
Just reach in there and take it out, babe.
I can't. I'm really not see it.
Okay, there it is. So this one is a 30 by 30 and it says full round.
Can I open it?
Now let me do it then.
Why? I could.
Pull it out of there.
Alright.
Okay, I guess that's one way to do that. So this is what the canvas looks like.
It has the pen, the bow, and the wax.
So, normal new frog kit, huh? Here is what they advertise it to look like.
Can I take the piece?
And here's the actual canvas. Now it says 30 by 30, but I believe down below it says the actual drill field is, I thought it said 24, but this one's actually all right at 26 by 25, which is kind of weird, but okay. Oh, no, it's not. I don't know what I did. So it's about 25 by 25 centimeters. It is 21 colors. And Taylor's going to open the drills for us.
One exploded.
Please tell me you're kidding, one didn't explode because you just yanked that open like a crazy person. Okay, this does not have DMC codes on it. So I can't share DMC codes with you.
19.
Yeah, that's the color number. Okay, so
20.
here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, get down, please. Taylor, put him down, please. Thank you. 8, 9, 10. Bless you. 11. Bless you some more. 12. 13. 14, 15, 16, there's 17, there's 18,
19. 20.
So there's 19, and 20. And then there is 21. So all of the colors are there. Drill field.
Really sticky.
Yep, that should be sticky enough. It didn't feel really sticky the first time, but that should be sticky enough. We'll probably have to iron this canvas the way it came, but I won't be holding that against them because it's a 30 by 30 and that's how most 30 by 30s come. So I can't expect any different than what's normal. It may flatten out a little bit because just doing that made it lay a little bit flatter. I don't know, we'll see. But if I have to iron it, that's not really a big deal to me.
Because she has an iron.
I do have an iron, huh? After filming a bunch of completion reviews last night, I now know why people have a point rating system. And I think that's just to keep track of how actually impressed you were with the canvas. A lot of times there's a long time between my unboxing and my completion. So for example, when I did the Dallas Cowboys one that you will see, I think today, the canvas was a mess when I got it, but it's been months since I got it, so I don't remember how bad it bothered me. That happened with another review that I did as well, that I filmed last night, that you'll see upcoming through the week. So I think I will come up with a point rating system just to keep track of, okay, at unboxing, this is how I felt. I do keep notes in my binder while I'm doing it about how I felt while doing it. And then in the completion review, I will put them both together and give you kind of an overall idea of how I felt about it. Now I've done several, let's just take Huacan for example. I've done several diamond paintings from Huacan, and some I'm extremely pleased with, some not so much. So if you see a rating of 10 on one and a rating of 3 on another, each one will go by the individual canvas. I'm thinking about maybe a spreadsheet that shows me an overall average. So if I have 3 canvases at a 1 and then 1 canvas at a 10, it would have an average of, or no, really little. 13 divided by what? 4 point something. 3 point something. So I'm thinking about doing that, but I will do each individual canvas on its own merit. Okay, so this one was one of the ones that I averaged at 75 cents each. I'm sorry, I don't know how I got the coupon. It was random. I went to check out, it was there, so then I just added everything into my cart, into the order, and got it all. I've had a couple people comment on my videos that the same thing happened to them. So it really wasn't anything I did, I just got really lucky. So here we have the 30 by 30, full round, new frog, a little over a month to get here. Each painting averaged 75 cents. All of the colors are here. I got my amazing little helper here.
Not always, though.
No, this one.
Yeah.
You're here for this one. Yeah.
Look at this.
You like that purple color? There's Taylor's favorite color. She likes that one. Okay. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below, and I will do what I can to to respond to them as quickly as I can. Taylor's saying give us a thumbs up if you want to. If you don't want to, thumbs down, whatever. We thank you all for watching. We appreciate each and every one of you. We hope you have an amazing day, and we will see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.